So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyle. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put it in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, so I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun. But if you're going to put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because everybody's oh, I'm a nerd. And they're Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress Town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer. Don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything
What is
that I
up?
wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time.
It
in the
is
world,
Monday. Monday. Hey. Ah, Indy. Reclaimed your glory. Sorry, off the bed. Ugh. It was a cheap win. What's up, guys?
Oh, I feel so.
At an angle. Well, look at that. 2 stream avatars working right out the gate. Man, it's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good night. Right off the bed, are you in the middle of an ad right now? That's too bad. Let us get... I remembered. Let's get the category going. I'm remembered. So Indy can chill. Alright, there we go. I took your job. I'm sorry. Alright. Let's make sure that the phone is running. Looks good. Pre-recorded. Knox Burns does not appreciate my starting soon screen. He says pre-recorded. And you know what? He's right. It was pre-recorded. Those are my shorts. Hey, you YouTube Shorts live feed. Welcome to the party. I do have my drawing tablet connected, so I'm gonna be like reaching over this whole time. I don't have the separate camera watching me draw. I don't know. I need more real estate on the fucking on the screen, so I figured that would just take up some. That is unnecessary. But we do have, I think I got all the plants drawn out, so we basically just need to place them now. Just fill up this space with plants at various sizes. And then we can have a bunch of broken plants. Pop, 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 pop. That being said, now that I came back to this desk, after not seeing it for a bit with all the stuff on it, it actually looks pretty natural. I'm like, I wouldn't think twice about the angles of the items on it. You know, it's kind of bugging me before. I definitely need to put some collision points on there, though. So we'll see what happens there. But how's it going, everybody? Ooh. Indy off to bed. How you guys doing? You ready for the week? I think. Oh yes. Let's not forget flex keys. I am going to add more products to the website. You know, I was going to wait for the trademark to be registered, but it's pending. So, good enough. I mean, we have the trademark symbol on there. And that's mostly for Amazon anyway, so I think I'll just start getting the product pages on the website going. But these things are fantastic. And don't forget your books. Anybody into sci-fi fantasy? Enjoy the Harmonian Chronicles. Alright. Back to business. Who's on the list? Who made it to the Orbem order? Off the bed in Indy, like I thought. Fantastic. Oh, and there's some balloons for you. Enjoy. Okay, so we need to add... No, we already added plant 3, so that one's good. We need to add a new one now. Plant 4! And we only have 5 plants. And then we're just going to repeat them. I'll change the sizes of them too. They don't all have to be the same size. But I definitely don't need more than 4 different types of plants. They all kind of look similar anyway, so... Not too worried about it. Number 4! This one has fruits on it. Put it in foresight. Points. It's got value 1. Getting 1 point for that. We'll make this one, I'll make it a little bigger. 160 by 160. Might as well. Nux burns, but pre-recorded. So angry. I guess it's kind of hard to see the starting soon title when you're on a phone. Speaking of flex keys, enjoy. Need to work out a little bit. Ready. And what do we got here? We need the interaction image that I created. That would be number 4 broken. Whoop. We use this asset. Perfectos. Disappear, no. And then now we just need to place it on the page. Now, where are we going to put this one? Like, it doesn't all just have to like line the office. There should be like 1 or 2 kind of in the way. Maybe I'll put one. Yeah, I'll put this one kind of like over here. Like right here. Can't be too bad. I think after we get these plants all put together, I'm thinking about spending some time on the phasing bug and finally knocking that out. You don't have to, but it's gonna have to happen eventually. It is really unprofessional. 2834. Oop, what happened? 160. I thought I already put this in there. Did I refresh? Oh, no. Shit. I'm putting it in the wrong spot. Draggable. God damn it. I can't wait to do some like UI work on all these fields. It's so hard to tell them apart sometimes. There we go. Shit. Excuse me. Phone falling over. There we go. Don't want to miss any YouTube Shorts live feed messages. Blah, blah, blah. Interacted. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. This should be in a general area that I want it. And then I'll just have to fine tune it. There we go. Random new plant. So let's put a little higher and a little to the left. We moving. Friday's stream was crazy. YouTube Shorts live feed ended up getting like fucking over 1,000 views. It's crazy. Yeah, let's put this one into the wall. Because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if I'm touching it on the left anyways. I don't want it to go all the way through, then I'll end up touching it, but yeah, something like that. Well, we gotta be careful. Let's see what it looks like when I break it, actually, because that looks fine, but if I do this, yeah, so it needs to go a little bit out. Let's do that. Perfect. So 2694 on the left. 2694. 2694. And top is 2849. Pixel perfect. Whoop. Indy off the bed, what the hell? You guys still here? I'll bet you guys come in at the very beginning and then just peace out. Alright, let's refresh. See this thing broken. Alright. What? Did I just get points? Am I still getting points for touching these? No, I'm not. Oh shit, am I? I should already have points for these. No, they give me points again. That's not good. Okay. We have a programming problem. Hey, off the bed's here. Good. Shit. If they're broken, I shouldn't be getting points for them anymore. I shouldn't be interacting with them anymore. So let's figure that out. So I got it working, so it loads the alt image. Oh, are they not getting the no points class? Because that's, I think, what's required. I might be doing the alt image instead of the no points class. No, see, no point. Why the fuck are you giving me points then? Oh wait, is it because I just touched it? Hold on, let's see. Does this have a no points class? Where are the classes? Am I blind? Okay, this is the classes. No, see, it has a no point. But it's still giving me a point. The fuck you doing? Watch, this is gonna give me a point. I should have 9 now. Yep. And that definitely should not be giving me points. I mean, will it give me points again? No. What's stopping it? Oh, interacted with, maybe. No, that's what changes the class. Oh, wait, did this one already give me points? I think it already did. Yeah, interacted with. No. Data disappear files. Let me refresh. Is the interacted with class still there? It was the easiest one to interact with. Oh, okay. I think I need no point and interacted with. Let's add that. Alright. Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, no, I just need to add the no points. No point. Alright, there we go. That'll do it. Okay. Let's add more. We'll add number 5 now. Boop. Plant 5. Foresight. Point. 1. This one will do 200. We'll make it massive. Just because so far I haven't really been able to tell the difference. Breakable, yeah. And let's add the feature image. Numero 5. Cinco. 5. 5 clear. Here's another fruit plant. Let's do interacted with. Alternate. Here's number 5 broken. Perfect. Should disappear now. And now we need top and left. Where are we gonna put this one? Maybe in between these two, like in the corner. That would make sense. Yeah. And then we can start putting some other plants over there on the other side. So, in the very top corner, what am I looking at? 2654. And 3350. Alright. Publish. We should now have a plant in my way when I refresh. Well, I broke it. Shit. I broke the plant. Ooh, it's a giant plant too. Alright, so this is gonna have to move way left. Oh shit, the other way. Because it's falling to the right. I should probably switch this one and the orange one, but whatever, they're the same width. This is just a bigger plant. And this can be, you know, really tall over here on the wall. Alright, so we got 3195. 3195. 2522. Okay. We'll refresh. Should be in the right place now. There we go. Look at all those broken ass plants. I'm fucking up this office. Yeah, and then we'll add duplicates of the other ones now. We'll just duplicate these a few times. Maybe just 2 each should be enough for the office. And we'll just make them different sizes. So even though they're the same, they'll be different sizes. Not a problem, not a problem. But I want to restart it and make sure that they're all in the right spots. We have the game muted. Alright. Fresh game. So we got plant. Looks good. Plant looks good. Looks good, looks good. Yeah, that's fine. Those are all good spots. Looking very botanist in here. And then we'll get all our points. Go bap. There's 1, 2. Unfortunately, I don't have a real weapon, so I have to phase through the wall. 3, 4. Oh yeah, we're fucking this shit up. 5. Alright. Dead. Murdered plants. That's 5 points. Peace. Yeah, okay. No, that's good. Let's just start adding more now. And they'll start working on that. Phasing. y'all hear my new song? Came out pretty good. I liked it. It's pretty. I don't know. That melody just kind of hit me. I was watching my wife play Black Wukong, and I don't know, it's just like the vibe just kind of like hit me with a melody, and then I was just like, oh, I gotta write this. So I recorded it with my voice, and then I was like, oh no, I gotta do this. So I played it on the piano, and I was just playing it on the piano over and over, and I kind of ended up writing it into a full song. And I was like, okay, I just gotta record this. So I immediately recorded it. Alright. And that, then I ended up scoring it, because I was just like, fuck it. Let's score this bitch. Okay. I don't know. Would it be worth creating a functionality to duplicate an item? Not like duplicate a post, but like literally add multiple iterations of the same item. And I don't know, that'd be confusing. I need their post IDs to be different and stuff, so no. I take it back. Alright, let's just add a new one. We'll just start using the same images. This is plant 6. We'll do 10 plants. It's enough plants to have in one place. And I'll just start repeating what we already have in the same order, and we'll just move them into different areas. Whoop. We got you, your point, foresight, values 1. We'll make this one bigger though, because right now this one's 100 by 100, so we'll make this one 150 by 150, so it'll look different than the other one. And then we'll do the other one smaller, you know. Vice versa. Do that. Let's add the interacted with. You already have that uploaded. Whoops. What the fuck? Yeah, okay. Should disappear. Nope. And where are we going to put this one? We're going to put this one. Since the first one's right here, we can put this one over here in this corner, because we need one in this corner to balance out the room. The feng shui of the plants. Okay, we got this. So what? 3344. See how this looks. And then we got 2756. And publish. Let's see how this one looks. It's probably going to push me to the right. Whoa, never mind. It's in the wall. Alright, let's move you up. And I'll probably just have to kind of move to the left a little bit, because they don't go lower than their base when they break. So it should be fine. So like there. 27, 20. Oh, let's just make sure this is the right spot when I break it. Yeah, I can move it even more. We can do like that. 2710. Wait, that's left. 2710. And then what's the top? 3263. Alright. We have our plant. Number 6. 4 more to go. And then we'll have sufficient numbers of botanist plants in her office. Definitely want to put one over here. Maybe we'll put a big one of number, yeah, of this one. I think it's number 5 or something. Alright, let's do number 2. And we'll call it plant 6. These are the only items we have on the levels right now. Alright, plant 7 will be numero 2. Yep. It's gonna be in foresight. This is a point. Oh yeah, sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing in the phone. Foresight point, and it's going to be this one's gonna have to be, I guess I'll go bigger too. I think I didn't go that big on the other one, so we'll do Like 180. We'll do massive. Why not? Value 1. It's breakable. And it's select image. Technically, I could give this a mission, but I think this is more of a trophy situation. We also need to add trophy logic. I do not have trophy logic right now, but figured I would do that once Orbem's a thing. Then you're gonna have to replay the whole game. Okay. Alright, so top and left. So if that's... I think that's this one up here. Then let's do it down here. Big version over here, maybe. The fuck? Oh yeah, that plant comes all the way up to here. Yeah, it's hard when they're stacked on top of each other. Maybe I'll... I guess if it's blocking the table a little bit, that'll actually look good. So let's do it right here. They'll just kind of be on top of each other a little bit. Shouldn't be bad. Yeah, no. I'll place it right. So there's 3163. Minecraft? Oh hell yeah. Wait, you can play Minecraft with other people? Oh, there's like an online version of it, right? 7-minute long roller coaster? Holy crap. 3167. That's pretty damn long. Ooh, that'd be fun. 3350. Alright, publish. Yeah, Minecraft is still confusing to me. Because it's like... When I tried to play with my daughter, it was... I didn't know what you were doing. You just started playing. And then you just collected things and broke things and... I mean, I know you can build things just from what I've seen, but like I didn't get what the game was. And then there's apparently there's like a campaign or something where you play a story or something, like in the original Minecraft. But then there's all these mod like servers that people have created with like a million different types of games, so it's kind of like Roblox-ish. I know Pirate Software created his own like MMO fucking, you know what I mean. But still kind of, there's just too many things. It's like trying to explain Roblox, I guess. I don't know. Like there's just so many things you can do that it's confusing. To moi. Alright, see how this plant turned out. Dear, okay. That is massive. Maybe I shouldn't have done 180. Whatever. People make whole computers in Minecraft. Yeah. Because they have like machines you can make. So they make like machines that do things automatically. I've seen some crazy machines being made on YouTube. But still don't quite get the concept. Ooh, okay. I mean, it is a big plant, but I still don't want it going over the wall. So let's do that. 3214. 3214. You know what? How about Scotch time? I never thought about it, but yeah. I think, yeah. Hey, happy Monday, everybody. I know everybody hates going back to work, especially after daylight saving time. But, cheers to another fucking week. And what a week it will be. You'll be alright. We'll get through it. We'll get to the weekend again. There's always another weekend, okay? I believe it, man. I fucking believe it. Honestly, I've been through worse spring voids before. I've definitely been through worse. I don't know. Could have been more tired, I guess. I've definitely napped. I slept a little bit in the weekend, a little bit more than usual, so maybe I was like rested, but and the sun has been out pretty nicely lately, and I don't know. It's been okay, but work has just been really rough. Busy, busy, busy. 27-pound bucket of macaroni and cheese. Is like pre-made bucket. That's fucking gross. Good to know. Gross. 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Number 8. Foreside point. And this one, let's not... I mean, I guess we should do this one bigger too, because this one's kind of small. Let's do this one, but like 140, not massive like the other ones. Good. I like when you tell me news. I gotta get my news somewhere. If I'm not listening to the radio, then it's like my wife just tells me random shit. Or Google News hits me in the face with something. Alright, we got our broken version right here. Should disappear. No, thank you, do not disappear. And then we're going to put this one over here. I'll put it like right here. Why not? We're actually filling them almost to the brim. What the fuck? Okay. This is going to be 2738. 2738. And left is going to be 2756. Oh, it's almost the same shit. Nice. Let's see where this one ends up. Oh shit. Oh, I broke you. My bad. Alright, so we can go left. A little up. Fighting to avoid. So we'll go up a little bit. Would you rather go back in time and fix all your mistakes or get $10 million in cash? Definitely $10 million. Who the fuck knows what fixing a mistake would do to the timeline? Holy crap. I could think about retiring with $10 million. It's about half of what I need to retire. And I could work on the rest with that $10 million. Yeah, it's sad. It's sad that I need $20 million to retire, but them's the breaks. Alright, 2703 is left. Okay, pop. That's top. That's not left. Pop. And what is top? Top is 2690. All right. I think we can fit one more in here. Let's see what we got. It's a mess. It's definitely a mess. I think we can put one more here. I know we have 2 more fruit plants. I think I could put a purple fruit plant here, though. And then that's probably it. I mean, I'll restart them so they're all standing up. Maybe it'll look empty somewhere, but I think this is good. Alright, plant 9. Lego. Plant 9. Which is technically plant 10. If I was going in order. But I don't have... I don't think I'm going to have space for another orange. Boop. Bop. Bing boop bop boom bing boom bam. $10 million. Sounds good. Sometimes I wish I could talk about my work. Alright. Because boy, do I have plenty to complain about. Not about the work itself, just about work in general. Especially my situation. Alright, values 1. This one's going to be smaller. We'll do like 130. Because the other one's so damn big. And where are we going to put it? We're going to put it here. Where is here? Good question. 3305. And left is 3071. See what that looks like. Bing, bop. Refresh. Boop. And bop. Ah, that's a nice little purple plant. Let's put this one a little more left. Push me out of the way. You also had to stay in the nurse. Because you had a 99.4. Oh. Yeah, it's not that hot. Even a low-grade fever is like 100, 101. I would have said, get the fuck back in class, whiner. That's just me. That's how I trick my kids. I'm sorry, I just... Real fevers are bad news, but... Anything under 101, I'm just like... He's just hot. 2993. Unless you're talking Celsius, then you should be dead. 3277. Whoa, 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 funny. You're talking Celsius, so you're melted. You're on fire. I feel a little hot. I'm like 300 degrees. I know that's not Celsius. I'm probably pretty close though. What is it? 99.5 F2C. Oh no, I did it the wrong way. C to F. 2 to 211. Yeah, it's still pretty much. I think you die at what's the hottest you can get? What's the hottest a body can get before dying? 111. Wait, what? They've survived up to 115. Shit. That's not that far. I mean, it is crazy. If your body goes from like 98 to 96, it's like a really drastic cool down of your core body temp. So I get it. Like every degree is like, but still. You were also feeling out of it. Okay, go. Yeah, you probably weren't feeling well. You had allergies and a case of the wineberry blues. I don't know. I can't think of anything about whining. Wine Whamburger. You ate a big Whamburger. What was that? French fries. Did they have to take you in the ambulance? I'm just perpetuating the masculine stereotype, making us all feel like shit for being vulnerable and feeling sick. It's so horrible. It's really hard to break that. Honestly. You're always sick or something? Dude, you gotta sleep more. You're always up late. Sleep more, you're gonna be healthy. Eat better, you're gonna be healthy. Stop eating sugar. Fucking sugar is the most poison thing for your body at your age. Obviously alcohol is the most poison for your body at my age, but alcohol is sugar too at the end of the day. But yeah, I mean, you gotta treat your body better, man. You won't be sick so much. Get some sun. Stop being in New York. Like you have a choice. Wait, what? Where'd my plant go? Did I put the wrong thing in? Stop living there. Yeah, it was really sunny today. It was nice. We have similar climates. It was kind of warm too. It was a little windy for me though. Yeah, it was sunny, but were you in the sun? Or were you sitting inside, looking at the sun through a window? Okay, I must have put it somewhere wrong. I must have not finished the shit. What was it? Plant 9. Where are you? Where are you, plant? Where are you? Wait, what? 0, 0. What happened? What happened was I fucking didn't save? No, it's right here. 130, 130 value. Point, foresight. What the hell? This is definitely correct. Huh? Do I already have a... Huh? Why you no correct? That's weird. You were outside? Nice. Keep it up. You'll feel better. Oh, there it is. What the fuck? Where did that plant go? Okay. I think we're pretty full. I mean, I could put something in the corner here, but... Foot wide? Isn't that just like a deli meat of bologna? Do you like cut it like slices? Right? That's what that would be, right? Wait, why is my admin bar back, by the way? I thought I turned that off. It's kind of weird. Oh, I think I turned it off locally. Ooh, DMs. Let me see. Let us see the DMs. It's not real. That's so fake. There's no way. It's like a fucking seat cushion. What the hell is that? It's like a little seat cushion. It's like home plate. It's like first base. First base. Throw it out. Somebody just painted it pink. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'd eat it. Obviously. If you got me a subsequent, you know, appropriately sized bun for me to eat it, I would. Definitely. Not even a question that I would eat it. I like hot dogs. Hot dogs are great. Why not? Yes, restart. Yeah, I mean at that point it's like a Wendy's square burger. A massive one. What the fuck? Restart, dude. No, it was. Alright, let's see what the plants look like when they're all nice. Ooh. So the point is, I'm gonna have a sign here that says like, oh, it's a chief botanist. So like, you could walk in here and be like, huh, just kind of checking out shit and be like, yeah, nice, botanist. Honestly, I should just make all the plants bigger, because they are kind of wimping me out right now. Like if I just made all these bigger, just to fill in the shit. Like make this 145, 145. That's pretty good. I could even move that up a little bit more. Which one is this? This is plant. This is the first one. Wait, is this the first one? This is the first one I did? Oh shit, it is. Okay. Let's redo this one. I mean, shit, let's go bigger. I need to fill in some gaps. They have like an eye bottle, like an apple bottle now. Apple bottom jeans, apple bottle. Really? I did not know that. I was not aware of Apple's new giant bottle. I don't know why I think it's giant, but there we go. Do something like that. Alright, let's check out this bottle. Oh, it's like a Hydro Spark. Yeah, I have that. Hydrate Spark. Has like a little tester. That's what I've been drinking out of this whole time. I took the thing. Honestly, my wife, I got one as merch, and then my wife took it from me, and it had such great insulation. Literally, ice would not melt in it. It would last all night, and in the morning you'd still have ice in your bottle. It was that good. So she kept it and stuff like that, and then we wanted to get some more for my kid, and we wanted to get her a new one because the tops are kind of cheap. They're plastic, they break. Yes, it's a Hydro Spark. It's a Hydrate Spark Pro. It's an Apple branded Hydrate Spark. It's the same thing. Why is it Pro? What the fuck does it do more? Problem is, we bought new ones and they looked exactly the same, but the installation was worse. So the one I got was like an older gen, and it was really fucking amazing installation wise. And then we got these, and for some reason they're just not as good insulators. Like the material they're using is cheaper now. So I wonder if it's the same thing, because they're expensive because of the fucking technology. Like the fact that it, like, you can measure it with an app, how much you're drinking and stuff like that, which is so fucking stupid. It's so fucking stupid. And you have to charge it. Like, it doesn't stay charged very long. Keeps drinks cold for 24 hours. Yeah, it used to. I don't know if this new one would, though. It really was good. Wait, Apple is selling Ember mugs too? I have an Ember mug here too. Ember. See, it's glowing and everything. I have all the Apple products. Except they're not Apple. Hate that mug. Love that it keeps the coffee warm and stuff like that, but I hate how small it is. My coffee mugs need to be at least 20 ounces. You've seen my jumbo Orbem Mortar mug, which you can now buy on orbemortar.com/shop. Get your jumbo Orbem Mortar mug now. I use this one every day. Perfect size for me. I only need 2 cups of coffee because it's so big. And yeah, Ember has made bigger ones. They made like their biggest mug, which is like, is it this travel mug? Is this the biggest one they've made? Maybe. 14 ounces is better than the one I have. I think. Ooh, I like the black one too. It's cool. $149. What are you talking about? Are you kidding me? Holy crap. The 10 ounce is the one that I have. Again, it was merch. I did not buy it. Swag. Whatever you want to call it. Holy crap. They're not that expensive, are they? This is the one I have. Holy shit, they are that expensive. Oh my god, I would never buy this for myself. Holy crap. They came out with a 20 ounce mug. I don't want a travel mug. A 20 ounce mug I can hold. I would highly consider it. But whatever. I guess Apple's not charging much more, I guess, because it seemed like the same price. It is funny they're just taking like good technology and putting it in their own store now, though. Like just cool products. That is very interesting. Okay. Let's go back to the first one. And let's make it bigger and change it. So this is 2901 left. Oh, that's already good. Let's just change the up, which is 2501. All right. And we're gonna make it 200. We going big, people. We going big. Okay. Let's change another one. There's no reason to have small plants. In other offices, I'll put a plant here and there, you know what I mean? But like, in this one, it's a botanist. She needs big fucking plants, so let's just give her big fucking plants. She's supposed to be like some extreme scientist working for one of the biggest corporations in the world, so... Oh shit. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, maybe it's fine though. 240? Let's try it. We gotta go up though. Something like that. That way it'll like fill in the gap. Hey, gifted. To who? Did you gift it to Off the Wall so he doesn't have ads? That's nice of you. Nice. Fucking killing it, Indy, with the 9th gifted sub. Yeah, there you go. Off the Wall. No more ads for you. Now you can enjoy the stream and not be scared every time an ad's about to come. 2689. So we're gonna go for, oh wait, I don't even know which one this is. This is number 3. So wait, this one's 240 by 240, so let's change this. Wait, what? It was already 150? Oh shit. Okay. Not big enough. They said it's number 3. Yeah. And then it's 2689 is left. 2689. 268. Oh shit. 2689. And top is 2587. Cool. Alright, that one's good. That one's already big enough. Let's make this one bigger. And we're gonna go... Don't need to go more than that, I think. 150. Off the wall. Did I say off the wall? Off the bed. Your guys' names. Off the wall. That's good. I like that. I'm keeping that. Alright, off the bed wall. Alright, that's good. So this is number 2. Number 2 off the wall. I love how I set up my fucking drawing tablet and it's completely in my way. And I might not even use it tonight. In fact, I don't think I'm going to use it tonight. I'm going to turn this off. Because we're going to try to fix the walking thing after this. Alright, let's get my fucking bar back. Beep. There we go. I got my fucking scroll bar back. Okay, so what was it? 150 or was it 140? 150. 3279. Oh, so much easier to type without hovering over that fucking tablet. 2722. Alright. That one's good. Now let's go... this one? Oh, I broke it. Fuck. I guess this one's fine. That one's big. Let's make the purple one bigger over here. And then let's make this one bigger. And then I think we're good. I think the rest are fine. Space-wise. So let's make this one... Let's do like... 190, 190. Something like that. 190, 190. We'll go up. Oh shit. We're going up, we're going up. On a Tuesday. Got your girl in the club and she ain't choosy. Remember that song? Alright, actually let's do 200. Whatever. Let's go even bigger. Fuck it. Let's just do 220. Why not? Giant botanist plants. And then we'll go even taller. Do. I mean, you're not supposed to walk around in this. There's nothing in here. It's just breaking shit. Ooh, but you're not going to be able to walk over here, huh? Oh, that's not good. Let's move it left then, so you can walk over there. Do. Okay, something like that. There we go. Nice shit, at least being able to break this last plant. Oh no. It's not enough. Not enough. Alright, maybe 220 is too big then. Let's go to 200. I can barely fit over here. But you can. That just looks bad though. Meh. Let's go smaller. We'll go smaller. And let's go down. Oh, god damn it. Let's go down. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I can walk in here pretty easily. Okay. I think we'll leave it at that. Which one is this? I can make this right one a little bit bigger. No, I can't. We'll have to leave it alone. 5. This is number 5. And then we'll move on to the walking bug. I think the office is fine. We don't even have the trophy, so this is just for fun. Alright, so this was 200, and now it's going to be 180? Yeah, 180. Didn't I? I thought this one was small. I'm tripping. Okay. 2908. 2908. 3228. I remember thinking earlier when I jumped on stream, I was gonna have a whole like teachable moment to go over with you, Indy, off the bed, about like life, a nice little life lesson for you. I don't know why I decided to randomly give you a life lesson, but I was just thinking about it. And it's just like I have heard comments from you guys, at least off the bed, about like how, you know, I'm gonna be super famous or super, you know, super successful or whatever in the industry. And I just wanted to kind of give you like a perspective check that should really help you in the future. Because it's like, wow, yeah, I like perfect pitch. I can, you know, like music wise, I can create like really good music, you know, at least technically. And yeah, I can build websites, I can build video games, you know, graphic design, edit videos, you know, to pretty high caliber, you know, as far as content creation is concerned. And I'm still not like anywhere near, you know, even semi-famous, or even, you know, you've seen my subscriber counts and follower counts, like nobody gives a shit. Because you know that it's not just about talent. Not just this industry, but any industry isn't just about talent. And I'm not trying to be pessimistic and like bum you guys out. I'm trying to tell you that it's, you know, 50% talent and hard work, and then 50%, I'll even say 50% talent and hard work, 70% luck. Right place, right time. Right? And that means, you know, that's 120%. But that just shows you how ass backwards getting viral, becoming infamous, becoming famous, getting, you know, whatever, turning this into a career just based off of like viewer count or follower, subscribers, that kind of stuff. Like, it's by no means has anything to do with how great you are. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen this in your own right, because you've made accomplishments, you've learned things, you're already way ahead of the game when it comes to 3D printing, programming, you know what I mean, at your age, and you've seen kids get famous, or, you know, whatever, tweens get famous at your age for nothing, right? Or, you know, become recognized for skills that you have that are probably even better than them for no reason, right? It's because who they know, what stupid thing happened to them, you know what I mean, who their dad is, you know, that kind of thing. Similar thing in life in general when you get older, right? And believe me, I 100% am not saying that you can't be successful without luck, because I'll be the first one to tell you that I've never gotten lucky in anything. Everything that I've done, I've had to fucking figure out a way to do myself, or fucking, you know, shoehorn my way in, or work for a long time to get into it. So, but I'll also tell you, I am very successful, you know what I mean? Like, not conceitedly, but like I have 2 kids, a wife, 4 dogs, 12 acres, nice house. Like, I've been able to build success without luck. So you could have an amazing life without it. So don't think that you are like constantly looking for that lotto ticket. You know what I mean? No, I have 4 dogs. I've got the little Chihuahua mix Maltese. I got the Chihuahua supposedly black lab mix. I've got a black lab, and now I have a golden retriever who's gonna be turning 1 in July. So I mean, because we lost our old guy, so we only had 3 for a little bit. We got the Goldie a little while ago, but yeah, I'm just trying to tell you, don't think you can't be financially and, you know, recognizably successful without luck. You can build it yourself. I started in a warehouse picking clothes just so I could wait for a job opportunity as a photo retoucher. You know what I mean? Like, bare bones just to get into a position, just to work your way up. And it was nothing about luck. I just fucking persisted and stuck around long enough. And then that kind of like built the trajectory of my career. And like I said, I can do a lot of different fucking things, you know? And any of them, you could get a lightning strike. My book, you could blow up, you know? Somebody could be like, I like this, I'm gonna make this a movie. Some buttfuck director, you know what I mean, could just catch it on a whim. Or one of my songs, like, oh my god, I like this song. Like, I think we want to fucking hire you to write songs for this TV show. I don't know, anything like that. You know what I mean? Like, it's such luck. Any of the things that I've done. This game could be luck. I don't know. Fucking anybody watching the stream right now, it could be luck. The products I'm selling, you know. Ooh, some idiot viral person could say, hey, I like flex keys. Blows up. But, you know, you can't count on any of that. And it's most likely not going to happen. So just keep fucking doing things. Throw your fishing line out there. That's all I've been doing. And luckily, website programming and WordPress engineering was the only thing that bit, right? And I fucking dove into it. So, yeah. That's so real. Just do things. Just fucking do things. Keep casting your net out there. Johnny Tiger gets it. And, yeah, eventually you'll find one thing that makes some money and you can fucking pigeonhole it. And I did that for 16 years with WordPress programming. And now I'm building a WordPress fucking game engine just for fun, on the off chance that it gets people to buy my book a little bit more. And, you know, you'll find your thing too, or a few things. And, yeah, just keep going. Everything else is fun, you know? This is fun. Making products is fun to sell to you guys. And, you know, developing this company, Orbem Order, has been fun. They all have to have an end goal, though. You know what I mean? I promise you one thing. Never do anything unless it has an end goal of making you a lot of money. It's not enough time in the world in your life. You'll divert from website programming to tissue manufacturing. Yeah. Hey, maybe you'll become the best tissue manufacturer in the world. Don't do something stupid though either. I mean, make your money, but like, I don't know. It's hard. If you get pigeonholed into one thing that like literally kills you on the inside, like screwing caps onto bottles or something like that, choose your battles, but like, yeah. At the end of the day, luck will not come for 99.9% of us. We'll always have to rely on just hard work and trial and error and fucking diversifying your skill set. So keep that in mind as you're growing and you're choosing your colleges and your majors and all that kind of shit, and, you know, whether you go to college or not. But yeah, don't stick on one thing too long either. No many fucking careers I've given up on, you know what I mean, to avoid losing precious time on something that would work, including woodworking. I had a furniture design business I was creating called Discreet Furniture. It was like hardcore themed furniture, like with dark woods and that kind of stuff, and I was building it myself, doing a lot of woodworking, and had a website and everything, and I had to give up on that. For realize how hard the furniture business is, especially with IKEAs and Targets and all the MDF bullshit that's out there. High-end furniture businesses, it's like, unless you're like Swedish or you had some cool backstory. Again, luck, some sort of luck. You knew somebody in the industry, you were a carpenter's son from some crazy country, yeah. And music is the worst culprit for that. Holy crap. Music is literally nothing but luck. Has nothing to do with talent, skill, anything. That's literally step one. Can you do the music? You know what I mean? Step two. Who the fuck do you know? You know? What viral bullshit are you gonna do that gets you into the industry if you don't know anybody? Were you part of a giant scandal that you could benefit from? Were you in a reality show that you could benefit from? Were you on TV at any point? You know, it's like, it's never the first thing is you're just a great musician, right? At least not anymore. I was in about 15 bands in a 10-year period. And, 25% of it was fun. The rest of it was trying to fucking get signed, right? And that was really eye-opening. Especially because I also watched my dad do the same thing, right? I watched him go through the exact same thing, try to get famous for his whole life, in being a rock star. And he had his successes, you know. I had my slight successes. I was on the radio, you know, like little things here and there that just didn't lead to anything. But you know, it wasn't anything massive that you can consider like, oh sweet, I'm living off residuals, you know. Not even a one-hit wonder. Right? Why are these not restarting? Escape to Orbem. Ooh, that's not good. It was working. The most famous thing I've been on is when I was on the news Yemen. And that's something. But imagine that news segment got syndicated and got on daily news, and you know what I mean? Like, that's luck. You can't even get on the news and think that's luck. You know, unfortunately. Okay, something's failing. It's MailChimp. MailChimp's not ready. Oh, reset. Oh shit, reset's failing. Why is that? Am I not logged in? Hold on. I want to fix the walking thing, but I can't even. No, I'm logged in. New game. Go. Oh, there we go. Weird. I guess I have to refresh. Math tournament. Hell yeah, man. Yeah. It's very cool. It's the little things that count, man. All the little things you get to do. The little successes make the next success, you know, that you're seeking out worth it. Winning a little award at work, or, you know, a nice award at school, getting some sort of recognition, even if it takes a while. It doesn't matter, but it feels good, huh? It's good to feel appreciated. Something you need to appreciate as a manager. You know? Making your employees feel appreciated, regardless of what it's for. Okay. So, as far as the phasing through walls thing's concerned, I'm going to try to do a stupid fix, and if that doesn't work, we're going to have to like try to think of something smarter. So the stupid fix is, the only reason I can phase through walls is because I'm going diagonally. So my stupid fix is disable one key if you're touching 2 points. How I do that, I'll have to figure out. But if I'm touching a top and a left, or a top and a right, or whatever, if I'm touching 2 different points, then I need to disable up or whatever the direction is. At least one of the directions. Yeah. But, you know, the more time you have to get lucky, that's why I said originally, throw a lot of fucking lines out there. Cast a wide net. Not just of skills, but where you're applying your skills, right? I mean, you're programming. You're doing programming in a lot of your fucking Minecraft, Roblox, fucking Next.js. You're doing all these things, and that's what you need to do. You need to have a bunch of shit out there that you can do, and never say no to anything. Never say no to anything. If somebody asks you to do something, grin, say, you got it, bud. Fucking do it. No matter what it is. Eventually, you'll know when the time is that you have to say no. And not even no. Never say no. Charge more. Whatever you're doing. Even if it's a friend. Eventually, you're going to be asked to do things for your friends while you're already doing 6 other things. Just say, I have to charge you a lot. You know what I mean? Never say no. Just charge more. Know your worth. Charge more. Charge more is your no. Never say no. Your classmates got lucky on one of his TikToks. 6.8 million views. And it got reposted everywhere. I'm telling you. Now, you know, what he does with that luck is a big deal. Because when you get lucky, you have a very short time to do something with it, right? I never even had that opportunity, but if I did, I would immediately try to lean into it, right? I mean, you gotta do something. You have to either duplicate it, like some of the idiots that do viral videos, or you have to make a product, make a merch. Make sure your YouTube channel or your TikTok or whatever is ready to go to get a bunch of new followers. Yeah, he didn't do anything with it. Yeah. And that's, you know, like I said, TikTok is it's fucked up though. TikTok I don't even think 6.8 million views on TikTok means shit. I couldn't get over 20 views on my TikToks. I gave up on TikTok a long time ago. I'm just bitter. No, but TikTok views mean nothing. Honestly, YouTube, Twitch, those are like the only real shit. TikTok is like a gateway drug to get you into making money on YouTube. That's at least what I've seen. So if he didn't take advantage and fucking get his YouTube, you know, with the same content, like getting millions of views on YouTube from it. Goaty? What's Goaty? Your most famous video. Oh, Game of the Year. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. But I've also learned something just starting to do this streaming and doing that long stint of making shorts on YouTube and posting to Instagram, posting to TikTok, is that I do not fucking want to be a content creator. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, holy crap, if that's your only source of income, are these people that are like living off of making videos on YouTube or whatever, and sponsorships on videos and stuff like that? Holy crap, that is Sisyphus at its finest. Like literally, they are never ending. They cannot stop. And people turn on you so quickly. I mean, it depends on the type of content you're creating too. I mean, if it's a lot of tutorial stuff, then that tends to get rewatched by new people, and that's okay. But if you're just like a comedian, just doing funny shit, you have to completely do funny shit constantly. Or if you're like doing topical shit, like Charlie, Moist Critical, who, by the way, Charlie, Moist Critical, Penguin, whatever, he has said more than anybody, he doesn't have a job. He's fucking lucky. He got fucking lucky. You know what I mean? And it's real. A lot of people will try to pretend that, oh, you know, me, I am the product, I am funny, everybody wants to see me. It's like, you got fucking lucky, dude. You did something stupid 10 years ago that a lot of people liked, and then everybody saw your viewer count and your subscriber count, and they're like, oh, I'll go do it. And yeah, I mean, even if you're entertaining, I'm just saying, like, there's a lot of entertaining people that Oh, there we go. I fucking hate my mic, man. It's not the mic. It's the connection. And I just can't find the short. And I've tried so many times. It's so inconsistent. I can't figure it out. Anyway, I love Moist Critical. I watch him all the time. Pyre Software, same guy. He was streaming for 7 years on Twitch, and then his shorts blew up. I found him on shorts too. And again, lucky. I mean, he's entertaining, but if you watch his content and you watch other people's content, I mean, so the only reason he is entertaining now is because he's got thousands of people watching him, feeding him content. You know what I mean? Asking him questions, you know, giving him things to talk about. You know, it's really hard to stream when you have nobody to talk to. I remember when I was streaming originally, and you weren't here and nobody was here, and I was just doing my fucking thing until, you know, somebody would come in and be like, hey, butt fuck, and then leave. So, I mean, like I said, 99% of us, it's a fucking grind, and you can't expect anything. Enjoy your day job, and something happens, hell yeah, awesome, congrats. But make sure you have a 401k and you're setting yourself up for not being lightning strike famous, or your book taking off, or your game taking off, or your music taking off, or your content taking off. I don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's coincidences out there. I'm not going to say, you know, I didn't coincidentally find the job that got me into the computer business. You know what I mean? I don't know. Like, that's what I said. Your question about would you change on your mistakes or take $10 million? absolutely would not change any of my mistakes, because they definitely led to where I am now, and I'm happy with, you know, my wife and my kids, my dogs, my house. I would be so fucking sad if anything was different right now. Even if, like, change and I'm a billionaire. I'd probably be with a completely different family or alone, you know what I mean? Maybe I'd be a girl, you know. Shit, changes are crazy. So, yeah. $10 million would be fucking awesome. Again, 20 million and I can retire. So if anybody wants to donate $20 million to see me retire, my Patreon is Orbem order. Can you don't give Patreon $20 million, by the way. Just talk to me. We can just put it into my account directly as a gift. Put it into a Roth IRA too. I don't want to pay taxes right now. Yeah, I really need to add shit to that. You want to do the web dev discussion? You want to have me for an hour on Zoom? We could talk. We don't talk enough on stream. Yeah, maybe. Oh shit. I clicked the wrong button. Yeah. I didn't mean for this to turn into a giant talk yap fest about me, about life and... But, you know, I don't have any sons. You know, I only have 2 daughters. You guys are my sons. I have nobody to teach my wisdom to. Because they're going to live completely different lives than me. My girls have no concept of what anything that I'm doing. Okay. So the walking thing... So, you know the way I do walking. I take the key inputs, I say true or false on which key you're clicking, and then I send that to the interval. So that's why I think I can get away with disabling one of the keys if you're touching something. So let's check out the blocking function for collision points. Block... What? Blockades. That is not what I was looking for. Block movement. There we go. So this is the function that blocks movements. Okay, no, this is the function that blocks movements. Get block direction. Oh my god, I'm so confusing. Why do I build things the way I do? So what I need to know... This is big brain, galaxy. I need to know if final top and final left are both different. Then final dot top and final dot left. Yeah. Yes. Because if both of them are different, that means that I am being pushed back by 2 directions. Yeah, but I'm not being pushed back by 2 directions when I'm phasing. Shit. Then I wouldn't even need this. Okay. So no, the problem is I'm not getting pushed back by 2 directions. And I think that's maybe I could just fix it here. Because I only have it changing my direction top or left. I don't have one that changes both. Well, adjust as enemy. What the fuck is enemy? Oh, I guess I chose that for enemy. By the way, anyone listening to this on YouTube Shorts live feed All the music in the background is me, my bands, things I've recorded. If you want to listen to more, let me know. Most of it's available online. Some of it's on Patreon. Okay, so I have two things. The new block position and then return block direction. Block direction I think is the one... Yeah, enemy false, okay. So if enemy is... Oh, that's why I did that. This is just an adjust. Okay, so adjust isn't what I'm talking about. It's top or left. No, top or left. Wait, how the fuck do I change the... Oh, the adjust is pushing you back. Got it. Can't believe we already like 1/4 done with the year already. Oh my god, are we really? Yeah, I guess so. It feels like a 2025's flown by, right? It's not just the massive amounts of Trump news. You're almost done with the school year. Oh shit, yeah, that's true, huh? Uh-huh. Yeah, I mean, once we get to fucking March, April, May, and then June, I mean, a few months only, huh? No, yeah, it's only a few months, dude. Alright, off the bed. I want you to repeat everything I said in your mind as you fall asleep, ingrain it in your brain. Just life lessons, dude. And hey, your dad's cool off the bed. I'm not going to say that I'm better than him, but, you know, there could be two cool dads here. Get some sleep. At least I don't tell you what to do, right? I just, like, shout things at you. Okay. Let's see. So, so adjust is what I'm talking about. Well, don't drink water unless I'm drinking, so you're completely free to drink water now. You know when you can drink water. I make it extremely clear. Hit me up in Discord if you want to drink water too. That's fine. So what I need to do, I need a condition for both. That's the problem. Because right now, I only have it where it's like, if top collision, not bottom. If bottom, not top. Is left, right, left. But I don't have all four is true. I wonder if I just add that, if that would work. I don't think it would. Maybe it would. Let's just try it. Fuck it. False top collision or bottom collision. We'll do that. No. We'll need multiple. We just need to keep adding more. So top and left. Yeah, there's never going to be top and bottom. There's never going to be left and right. But there will be top and left. You know, there'll be multiples. Yeah, because I don't do that. Yeah, maybe I just need to add more conditions. Shit, we might fix this, guys. We might fix this. So we just add more conditions. Final is... yeah, so if you're colliding with the left, but not the top... That doesn't make any sense. You're colliding with the left, but not the top. And the bottom. And not the bottom. No. And the bottom. So we need at least 2 for this one. Then that means that left is minus and top is minus adjust. Right? Right. Yeah. So there's going to be 4 more. Oh, shit. God damn it. Why does that keep happening? It's because I'm typing so aggressively. Because I think I figured it out. Come on, people. Okay, and then now if top is true, bottom is false. I mean, why do I care if top is false? I don't. It's just, is that true? Is that true? Is that true? Is that true? Then left is minus. Wait, no. Wait, if left is true, then I need to add. Yeah, I need to add. What am I doing? Left is true, add. Right? Left collision. Oh, there's right collision. Yeah. See, that's... Yeah. Left collision. Wait, where is the left collision? Oh, right here. Yeah, it's add. Left collision is add. So left and top, we're going to... Why am I doing it like this? This is kind of stupid. I should just add or subtract based off of the direction. Oh, but I guess I'm considering both. But that still shouldn't matter. I'm going to try to rewrite this logic so it actually is smart. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. Final equals top. And now we're going to do this. If top is true, I guess, and bottom is false, then this is going to equal... Why do I switch final top and top? Aren't those the same thing? I don't know why those aren't different. Why am I even setting these? Why am I setting these? Top and left. I don't understand it. Is it... I don't know. Is it changing? Whatever. We'll just do top and then top. Plus adjust. Okay. Left equals... we'll say left collision is true. And right collision is false. Then we're oh, I need to add a default. Oh, okay, this is why it's not going to work easily. So we're gonna have to add a few things here. Hold on. This is gonna get a little messy, but I think at the end of the day, this is gonna be a lot less shit. There we go. So that, and then we're gonna do this. Bottom collision and top collision. Ooh. Collision. Then top minus adjust. And then otherwise final top. I think that's all it is. And then same thing here. Blah, blah, blah. Then left plus adjust. Otherwise, right collision and false left collision. Then there is no right. Yeah, it's just top and left. Okay. Left minus adjust. Otherwise, final left. Right? I think. I don't know why that wouldn't be just as good. What am I missing? What am I missing? Wait, final left is not a thing? Yeah, it is. Oh, I forgot the L. Alright. So let's actually get rid of this bullshit here. And let's see if this works. I'm missing something. What am I missing? This is a for each. I think I'm missing a closing if. Okay, there we go. Let's see if this works. It's highly possible this does not work, but I'm going to give it a shot. The worst that can happen is I just need to add more if statements in there like I was doing before. This just makes sense though, at least based off of my collision point logic. Alright, let's see what we got here. Can I walk? Well, I can walk, but can I walk through walls? I can't walk through walls. Either way. Okay. So far the logic is working as it was working. Now, can I phase through walls? I can. So that's definitely not any better. Whoa. Now I can phase through it just by clicking up. I don't have to go diagonal. Okay. So this doesn't fix our problem. It doesn't necessarily make it super worse. The only thing that it makes worse is that if I'm next to something touching it, that I can phase through without even clicking the direction. But it's not much worse. And I did simplify the logic a lot. That being said, if it didn't fix what I was trying to do, then this, I can't fix it with this logic because I have no control. So I'm gonna undo this. I don't think this is the right route, even though logically it's more dry. So let's try what I was trying to do before. So we have this left collision, that collision, minus, plus, top collision, left collision, then top minus, left plus. No, it's the same thing. Top collision means plus. Left collision, yeah. Okay, now let's do the same thing again, but with the other ones. So this is left blah, but bottom blah. No. Right collision. We'll add right collision here. Alright. Then we need bottom is minus, right is minus, top is plus, minus. Alright, let's just see if adding these extra parameters, conditions, will fix the issue. If it doesn't, I gotta do some fancier shit with like detecting if I'm touching two things or not. And I'm not 100% sure this is actually gonna fix the issue. Collect, good. Stop me, good. Stop me, good. Stop, good. Am I phasing through walls? Yes. Alright, so it didn't technically do anything. It's still doing exactly the same thing as before. I should not be able to walk through these fucking doors or this wall. Okay, so that just means that the detection's wrong. If you're hitting two different directions, it's not paying attention at the same time. Yeah, so that just means, you know what I think it is these are taking precedent. I wonder if I added these first and then did the other one second, if it would actually work. Because these are like true and true. So if we did like this, and this was an else if, you know, and then this was an if. So we'll start with true. Because I feel like it's about checking the order in which you check. Oh wait, hold on. Wait. Oh, I'm missing one. Ooh. No. No. Keep doing the wrong one. There we go. No. Typing S hard. There we go. Who started their taxes already, huh? I opened up my tax stuff. And I said, like, that's good enough. I haven't done it yet, but I started. That's good enough. Okay. Nope. So now it's doing that thing where, like, if you try to walk up, it's pushing me left. Oh, God. And it definitely doesn't care if I phase through walls. Okay, so that didn't fix it. That made it worse. My thing is, though, I think the problem is that it's like, yeah, sure, left collision is true. Well, let's do right. So right collision is true, and top collision is true. So these two are true, right? So that means it should have been minusing me left, but instead it's pushing me right. I think what I need to do is see what kind of collisions I'm getting. So let's do this. Let's just see what it's coming up with, because that will be very telling. So we'll do left, right, top and left, and top and bottom. That way we can actually see what it's detecting, because my logic for detection is just... I mean, it's good when you do one or the other, but doing both, it seems like it's not giving me the correct logically conditionals. So now we get 4 every time we do something. This is going to be really hard to tell what's going on, so hold on. Because it's going to be going every 20 milliseconds. Ew. Oh good, it's only when I touch. So top. Whoa. Interesting. So this is giving me true, 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 false. Which is definitely not right. So it's giving me left, right, top, and false on bottom. So the only thing it's giving me false on is bottom. It's giving me true on everything else. No wonder this is so fucked up. Interesting. So what is this logic even doing? Let's look at this. So top was true, but left and right should not be true. That just makes me think that they're stupid. All right. So collision wall, right. Okay. I think it's just dumb logic. Because basically what I'm doing here is like, okay, you're going to go touch the top of something. We're going to look at the bottom of the item that you're touching. Okay? With the top of me. So is the bottom bigger than me? The top of me? That means are we overlapping? Okay? So that would be true if you were touching. And then is the collision wall top less than my top? So the reason I had to do this was for, I think it was for things that were too thin. It's like you basically need to make sure, like I can't walk through, I can't touch the top of the item either. I need like a buffer. Because when like I push me back, I'm a little bit inside when it's pushing me back. So this is kind of like you're not inside. And then apparently I added is the bottom of the collision point less than 10 pixels of my top. So that means the wall is the point for the bottom of the wall less than 10 of my top. So I'm giving myself a 10 pixel buffer. That seems unnecessary, but okay. So all of this tracks for a top collision point. But this has zero logic about whether I'm touching the left or right, so it shouldn't care. So that being said, bottom is the same thing. Top, so it's in the bottom of me, and the bottom of that is greater than the bottom of me. Yes, and the top of the wall is greater than my bottom minus 10. So like 10 pixel buffer. Still good. Now, left and right. Is the right of the collision wall greater than the left of me? Alright, Indy. Don't worry about me. I got this. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. Is the right of the wall greater than the left of me? That would mean I'm inside of it. So that's, yes, that's a collision. And is the left of the collision wall less than the left of me? How come I didn't do the whole -10 thing for this? I don't know. Let's just shoot the shit and try doing this. Give myself a buffer like I did for the top and bottom. I mean, I don't know why I didn't do that. Is the collision of the right wall greater than... Wait, is it -10 for left? My left. -10 would be even closer. My right plus 10 would be even farther. Oh, then the right side, yeah. I don't know. Let's try that. It's possible that the top and bottom have that buffer, but my left and right don't. So only one of them saying true when they should both be saying true. Maybe. Let's see. I don't think these true and falses are going to help me anymore. Why is it still doing that? Didn't I change everything back? Oh, I added more things. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I need to get rid of all the shit I added. These four? Yeah. Alright, let's try it without those four. Oh my god. Indestructible. Flex keys. You want more agile fingers? Do you want a program like me? Gain dexterity while fidgeting. Flex keys. Get them now. Orbemortar.com or flexkeys.shop. There you go. I created a domain for that. Alright, here we go. Up. Okay. Good. It's not pushing me anymore. Left. Good. Can I phase? I can. Alright, so that didn't fix it. I thought having a little bit of a buffer would fix it. But it seems like it just doesn't give a shit. What I don't like is that I'm getting trues for those collisions. I feel like that might be fucking it up. And I don't get why they're getting that. Because it's not true. It's because when I'm doing up, the only thing that should be true is up. Everything else should be false. But for some reason, left is becoming true. So what? Wait, what happens when I go like right? I'm getting false, false. Okay, false, true, false, false. That's correct. False. No, that's wrong. What? Oh, wait. False, true, false, false. Correct. So left is good. And if I go right, am I getting the right collisions? True, false, false, false. Correct. What about bottom? What's bottom giving me? True, true, false, true. True, true, false, true. So the only thing... That's the problem, I think. I think the collision logic is wrong when you're going top or bottom. So it's misleading. And so it's adjusting when it shouldn't. Let's see if that's it. And let's see why that is. I definitely have 1, 2, 3. I have more collision checks in here. But in here I only have ba, ba, and ba is less than and wait, what? Why do I have an extra one here? Hold on. So it's collision point box is greater than that, and then collision top is less than top, and then collision bottom is less than bottom plus 10. I think I'm missing something here. So blah 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 blah, blah. And ba is less than box dot left. Sure. And collision wall dot right is less than left minus 10. Okay, hold on. We're starting to find a correlation here that could be right. Da 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 da. Box dot right. Oh, I said box. Box dot right and collision wall dot right is less than or greater than. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if this fixes it. Or at least the collision logic says true, true, false, 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 true. Yeah. I just want to get the right... I mean, of course I want to get the right logic. So if I go down, it should be all falses except... No. It should be all trues except for... No. All falses except for bottom. Okay, so now we got true, false, true, false. Okay. We've got an extra false. So left is false. Right is still true. So that's wrong. I did something wrong there. Let's check top and see if it's the same thing. Boop. We got false, true, true, false. So we got true, true. Right is true again. So I did this wrong. So wait, collision wall left is less than box right. Less than box... Wait, collision wall left is less than box right. Yeah. No. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. And then collision wall right is greater than... Collision wall right is greater than box right. Yeah. Uh-huh. And... Oh, I did this wrong. Collision wall left is greater than plus 10. Yeah. There we go. That's why. Okay, that should do it. I got those wrong. My bad. Alright, this should do it. We should be getting the right falses and trues and shit now. So, when I go up, boom. False, true, false, false. Now if I go down, boom. False, 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 true. If I go left, boom. Oh no. It's not detecting left collision anymore. How about right? Yeah, okay. Well, shit. So we're getting falses all around. Well, phasing works. Okay. What did I do wrong? My logic is sound. My logic? Maybe not. Let's check this. Maybe I got this backwards. Maybe this should be greater and this should be less than, maybe? Probably not. But I'm just going to blindly do that. Just because off the top of my head, that makes sense. Ooh, there we go. Maybe I was right. Okay, okay. Let's go up. Damn it. Same shit. Okay, this logic is not working. Why is that? Why would it consider those true when I go up and down? Collision wall. Oh, okay. We need to consider something here. The collision wall I'm touching, the left and right of it are way over here. That should make it even weirder that these are true, though. Right? No, maybe not. So top and bottom, left and right. So left, collision. So if I'm touching the top bar, the right of that wall could be way over there or whatever. It's nowhere near me. So if the right of that wall is greater than the left of me, which it definitely is. So that's true. Shit. That's why. So then I need to consider that logic. When you're touching when you're not touching anything on the left or the right of you, I need to be able to detect that. But you know, technically the left and the right of it is agnostic to the top and bottom of the collision point. So the right is greater than the left, which it is. The collision wall left is less than the left of me, which it definitely is. And the right of it is greater than, yeah. Technically, I'm inside You know what I mean? The only thing I can do, to be honest, is add another parameter where it's like top collision is false and bottom is false. Because if one of those are true, then it's gonna fuck with the left and the right. I just wonder if that's gonna screw things up, but I'm gonna try it. And top collision or bottom collision. It's the only thing I can think of. Right? If either of those are true. And let's add that to right as well. Because if both of these are false, then cool, we're good to go. But if not, then that means our values are skewed. Because the thing we're touching is on the top or the bottom, so the left and right are like way over here. So we're technically in between the left and the right. So we are colliding with, you know, the left and the right of it. Let's see if it works. Left. Don't face through. Ah, fuck. Wait, but they're all false? Why is it false? Hold on. Oh, that's right. Let me get rid of this shit that I added. I don't think I need it. I didn't need it before. I don't think I need it now. Alright. Am I going to phase through the wall? Fuck. Did not compile? What the fuck? This and this. Whatever. But these didn't change. So why are these fucking up now? What the fuck? Hold on. I need to get back to what I had before, because I don't know what I fucked up. Wait, does that mean that top or that? Oh, that's right. Because those are both false. So it can't be true. Because this is a false statement now. Right. So I only want this if those are false. No, if they're true. Shit. How am I doing this? Hold on. Let's think about this. So the left collision point is true. And these are both false. Oh, I need to do that. Okay. False equals. So I was doing it backwards. You probably don't remember me because I changed my name. Oh, Tidy Onion. Hey, how's it going? I will now call you Logic Onion. How's it going? So wait, we need both of these to be false. That's what we need. I think I was just doing it backwards. Unless I'm crazy, then I'll rewrite it. I will now call you Logic. Welcome back, man. And this is gonna work. Oh, there we go. Perfect. True, false, false, false. True, false. True, false. Here we go. All right. I think we got it. Let's go. Okay. Can I phase through the wall still? Fuck. Oh my god, it doesn't matter. It doesn't care. I can still phase through the wall. Because when I click right, it's adjusting for some reason still to the right. Why? Yeah, I mean, it has the collision points correct. It shouldn't. Call you Logic Onion. What the hell? Why is it still phasing? When I click up, it definitely changes what's true. No, see, it's not. See? Yeah, it's not changing what's true. The third one is true. Yeah, top is just true. Oh, it's... They should be true when they're both touching. That's the problem. Okay. Shit. So that's wrong. That's wrong. Adding this actually makes it worse. Because now only if the top is false and the bottom are false can left collision be true. I need it to be true regardless. So in fact, I was making this worse. Shit. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I mean, this is correct, but now they can't be both true, so no, we gotta get rid of this. This isn't helping me, this is hurting me. So the point is, these both need to be true. But for some reason they're not. Because if they were... But I think the problem is that left and right are true. And they can't be. And I don't know why they're both true. Oh, I do know why they're both true. It's because of the top and bottom. They technically are in between. So it's phasing, it's adjusting both. Which should, but they should counteract each other, right? But maybe they're not because one is happening before the other. Because it's else if. If I made... Oh, okay. Well, let's try this. If we made these just if statements. No, it's the same thing. Maybe it's not. Hold on. Let me try something. What I can do instead... Final... Okay, so... Final... Like we do it like this. Dot top equals... this. Okay. Final dot collide equals true. We could try it like this instead. So only change what we need to change. Or we could do it like this. And then final dot collide equals true. This might change things. Same here. Left equals that. Final dot collide equals true. These are for the one-offs. And then final dot left equals left adjust. And final dot collide equals true. Okay. Let's try it like this. So that means that it will adjust both now if they're both true. That might screw me up, but I'm gonna try this out. That might push you in two directions, but it could work. Okay. Okay. So see, I'm doing this, but it's only adjusting me back top, even though it says true on those. Left is left. Right is, I mean, left is left, right is right. Oh, okay, those look good. Okay, so let's try phasing now. It doesn't fucking care what I do. It completely ignores my fixes. Oh my god. This is frustrating. What the fuck? This makes no sense logically. Because false left. Right. So technically I'm like, it's right. Yes, this should happen. So it should definitely change my right. It should minus the adjust and should be pushing me back. But it doesn't make sense. Hold on. So that is correct. That is not. And if I go this way, that is correct. That is not. If I go like that, but it seems like it only phases you left and right though. Like it doesn't phase me up and down. Phase up and down are fine. It only phases me left and right. Which I wonder if I swap these, if it would be the opposite. I don't know. I wonder. I think the fucked up part is maybe that, like, I'm overriding left and left. So if I go like this, no, it's still phasing me only left and right. It's not phasing me up. Why? It's so weird. If I go up, the trues are wrong. If I go left, they're correct. If I go right, they're correct. It still has to be that same thing where like I'm in between and so it doesn't know. It's just, why is it adjusting me right when I'm trying to walk through the right side? Because I'm definitely... So I'm back to the problem where the trues are screwing me. Alright. I concede. Everybody, thank you so much for jumping on and watching me tonight. It's been a fun one. I'm definitely going to fix this. I'm not going to stop working on this. I'm going to fix colliding and phasing, because phasing has been the most annoying thing in the world. I mean, I've used it to my advantage while I'm editing, but it's a bug that needs to go away. So, everybody, I appreciate your time. Anybody watching in the future, hey, come by and say hi in person. I really appreciate you. Make sure anybody watching this who has not already subscribed, subscribe and follow. And check out FlexKeys, flexkeys.shop. And that is spelled FLEXKEYS. Get yours today. They come in all the colors you want. We've got a bunch of other merch too, but it doesn't matter. I appreciate your time. You were special. Thank you for watching me. Everybody have an amazing night, morning, day, whatever time it is for you. I appreciate you. And I hope you will come back and see me again for the rest of the week. All right. Happy Monday, Tuesday, depending on what time it is for you. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.